Timberlands. And her song goes like this. Girl with the Timberlands. I see you. Yeah, when you in school too. You like a teacher. You always up under a teacher. Do you eat school lunch when you go to school? Every day. Your name is Yolanda. I see under. You got cell phone minutes. Now, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber. Black Bieber. I want to build the Blasio skits. This next song I'm going to play is for the white man with the work boots. The white man with the work boots. And his song goes like this. White man, you are not alone. The Mexican over here is with you. He's going home with you. He's gonna make tacos for you. You are not alone.
This is Bronx Park East.
Mexican name is Wallow. He's gonna get off the train and follow. He's gonna follow you. He's gonna follow you. Right there with the purples. You are not alone. You're not alone. Are you from Yugoslavia?
This is a Wakefield-bound 2 train. The next stop is Pelham Parkway.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Now, anybody on this train, tell me the name of the person who made this song I'm about to play. If you get it right, I swear I will kiss that white man. What's the name of the person who made this song? What's the name of the person who made this song? I would really try, baby, trying to hold back this feeling so long. If you feel like I feel, girl with the Timberlands, come on. Oh, she got new Timberlands. Who made this song? Anybody know? You tell me who made this song, goddamn white man will get it. The white man will get it. Oh, you lucky. There's nothing wrong with me taking money from you. Any donations? Anybody? I take Timberlands. I take food stamps. I got on the boat train. You know,